Meanwhile, TVJ News sat down with Matthew Samuda today, who is not only confident of victory in Northeast St. Anne, but is challenging himself to pull some 10,000 voters out on election day. Jamaica Maitland reports.
The roles have been reversed, according to former Senator Matthew Samuda, who is contesting the by-election for Northeast St. Anne on a Jamaica Labour Party JLP ticket. A campaign manager to members of Parliament for years, Mr. Samuda is now an aspirant.
Nothing is ever guaranteed in life, but what I will say to you is I expect to carry Shiny Robinson's legacy on to victory, and will work very hard to achieve that.
Mr. Samuda has been tapped by the JLP to take over from Marsha Smith. Ms. Smith resigned as MP on Tuesday. Samuda, he resigned as senator and also minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. As to whether he's been tapped for another specific position in the cabinet, he declined to comment.
My primary focus is simply ensuring that the Jamaica Labour Party is returned at the end of the by-election, and then after that I will see where and how, and if the Prime Minister wants me to serve in any capacity, I'll make myself available.
Matthew Samuda has been canvassing in Northeast St. Anne for at least a year. During an interview at the JLP headquarters, he says his team is ready.
We've been politically organizing and resetting the seat to be ready for a general election, but we are ready for any election, and I believe results will prove that.
Northeast St. Anne is traditionally a JLP safe seat. The late Shahini Robinson was MP since 2001. She died in 2020. Mr. Samuda says his aim is to get at least 10,000 voters on election day. The JLP received 9,169 votes to the PNP's 4,747 in the 2020 general election. Over 41,000 voters were registered in the constituency at the time.
Though it's a constituency-wide assessment, you want to win all 4 divisions comfortably so that there is a level of dominance in the constituency.
As to how he plans to do it, well, Mr. Samuda says the untapped synergy between the parish's natural resources and the economy are among some of the top campaigning issues.
Priory, St. Anne's Bay, Draxhall, Ocho Rios, Exchange with White River, etc. If you look at the natural assets of that space, it has more potential than anywhere I can think of in the Caribbean. But its people need to feel that benefit. Its people need to see that their government is connecting the dots for them to realize their own hopes and dreams.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.